Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can record voiceovers on Google Slides. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Slides. So the first thing that we're gonna do is start a new presentation. You can either choose the blank presentation or you can choose from this list for a template. If you want to expand the list, you can click on template gallery and then you're going to find a list that includes all of the templates and you can choose any template that you like. So for example, I'm going to choose this template. As you can see guys, now the template is loading and now it's added. So basically guys, right now in order to add your recorded voiceover, just go right here to the top and then search for insert. Click on insert and right here under it, you're going to find image, text box, audio, video, shape, table, and so on. So just go ahead and click on audio. And then once you click on audio, you're going to be right here in this little Google Drive menu. So basically, guys, you can't upload an audio from your PC. You only can upload it from Google, insert it from Google Drive. So make sure that you upload your audio to Google Drive to be able to insert it later. So you can either insert it from my drive, shared with me, or recent. You can also go to search in Drive or paste URL. And you can also filter the results by last modified or by the owner. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.